advice goes to every fellow soldier. Okay, you guys should not be fooled, don't be used. We are the youth. The fight that is civilian fighting is our fight. Do not let them use us. I know where you are. Most especially the advice goes to the new people in the system. I'm talking about the 1990 and the 2090. And mostly they will use you guy for this struggle. They will deploy you. As I'm hearing the rumor that they want to deploy some soldiers to chase away, maybe to scare the protester. You guys should remember, even though you were deployed, eventually you're deployed, remember that if you eventually take any unlawful order and you fire civilian people you're firing, remember the bullet may go and hit your brother or your sister. And remember, this fighting that these people are fighting is just our fight. Because if Nigeria is okay, nobody will fly out of the country. Remember how many soldiers have leave this job, run to Dubai, run to different part of the country for seeking for greener pasture. And how much are they paying you as a private soldier? Maybe private soldier is 50,000, last corporal 55,000, and so on like that. No, you yourself say this fight is our fight. And if things are okay in the country and every soldier is well paid, civilian is well paid, things are going on, nobody will want to fly out of this country. The foreigner, they will be trying to come to our country, not we trying to go to other country. I urge every one of you, every soldier seeing this, listening to this, please do not let us be fooled. Remember what happened in Sudan when the president called the soldier to chase away the protester. Let's add professionalism into this. Is the protester that even is the soldier they join the protesters, singing for them, playing with them, because they know when things is okay in the country, then they will enjoy it as well. Who is safe? How much are they paying now? How much we buy in a bag of rice? Now if they pay you maybe as a private soldier 50,000 and you have a wife and family, once you buy 30,000 bag of rice, how much do you have left? You still pay some expenses. You buy your boot, buy your uniform, buy this, buy that. Please and please don't be fooled by all these politicians and our big men, the generals. Please and please, I urge every one of you, when you are deployed out there, I don't know how true it is. Maybe I'm hearing that they will deploy soldier or not. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe if the thing eventually they deploy you, you find yourself, please use your head. You are youths. You are youths. All the people fighting, they are fighting our fight. We want better Nigeria. Everybody wants better Nigeria, whereby we have constant electric, we have free education, good road, water. These basic amenities that we need. You and I self will not be buying uniform from the little peanut that are paying us. We will not be buying uniform, buying boots, buying this, so that you and I also we can live fine. Thank you. Or please adhere to this, or please bye for now.